This is the grand Deepotsav celebrations planned in Ayodhya. Now, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath arrives in Ayodhya for the very celebrations that we are mentioning about. Chief Minister Yogi to take part in the grand Ayodhya Deepotsav. Remember that each year we see records being broken with regards to the number of diyas that are lit during the Deepotsav. 26 lakh diyas this time to be lit across 56 ghats. It's a grand celebration that we see of the Festival of Lights, given that there is a long story behind, a mythological story that's also behind the very Deepotsav celebrations that take place in Ayodhya itself. It's seeped in the epic Ramayana. And now we see Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who himself has now arrived in Ayodhya for these very celebrations, visuals of which we are bringing to you on our very screens. And as we've been mentioning, year after year, there are record-breaking number of diyas that are lit across ghats. This time, if we are to precisely speak of, 26 lakh diyas are to be lit across 56 ghats to celebrate and observe the Festival of Lights. Diwali celebrations across the country has already begun. Yesterday it was Dhanteras, and now that pretty much marks the very beginning of the Diwali celebrations. And in Ayodhya, we see grand celebrations take place where it is said, mythologically speaking, if we go by the Ramayana, it was during this very festival when Ram had in fact returned to Ayodhya after his period of Vanvas, his period of exile, and post the war that had been fought in Lanka. So it's a big festival that's observed, celebration with massive celebrations, and preparations have been underway for quite some days now. And now we see the rituals, the practices, both cultural, religious, taking place in Ayodhya itself. It's a big occasion that we speak of, very dear to the people there as well. And we see people coming in from different parts of the country as well to specially, in fact, see this very grand spectacle across the ghats. Samarth Srivastav joins me on the broadcast to in fact bring us more details of the very event underway currently. Samarth, a very good afternoon to you. These are the first visuals we see of the celebrations already having begun, and we are speaking of the grand Deepotsav, wherein we see 26 lakh diyas shall be lit this year. It's another record that's being broken, if I'm not wrong.
Well, exactly, Shreya. The world record will be broken this time. It will be two world records. Number one, with 26 lakh diyas at the Ram Ki Paidi. Number two, with the Deep Daan of 2100 Maha Aarti that will be happening at the Saryu River. We are present at the Ram Ki Paidi. At one hand, CM Yogi is doing the Rajya Abhishek of symbolic Ram, Sita and Lakshman, who have just arrived from a chopper at Ayodhya. But the visuals here are coming from Ram Ki Paidi. As you see, volunteers in large numbers have gathered here, and they have started using the cotton over this particular diyas, and thereafter the procedure of filling these diyas with oil will also start. As you see that the helicopters roaming all around the sky, but if you see the visuals out here, you can clearly get the sense that these diyas have got the cotton over them, and in some time the oil will be put in these particular diyas, and later you will see them all around. The lighting will start. The laser show will happen at the Ram Ki Paidi. There are a lot of shows we know, because Saryu Aarti, Maha Aarti is going to be very fascinating this time around, because 2100 women from self-help groups have reached Ayodhya for this mega Aarti. But if you see the visuals out here, a wide frame at the Ram Ki Paidi, the designs in which the diyas have been placed, especially at this particular junction, you can clearly get the sense how excited the volunteers are at Ayodhya. आप लोग बताइए कितना एक्साइटमेंट इस बार है अयोध्या में दीपोत्सव को लेकर, क्या तैयारियां हैं आप लोग?
तैयारियां बहुत अच्छी हैं। हमारे आदित्यनाथ जी जिस तरीके से आप देख ही रहे हो, आज करीब
रिकॉर्ड बन रहा है,
रिकॉर्ड पे रिकॉर्ड ही बन रहा है हर साल एक नया।
You see the visuals as we move around at this particular place. A lot of students, volunteers are in a way using the cotton. तो अभी कॉटन लगाने का काम शुरू हो गया है। कब तक पूरा हो जाएगा? कब तक पूरा होगा ये?
1 से 2 घंटे में हो जाएगा।
So you can see the visuals how he has got the cotton in his hands and he's just putting it over the diyas so that it can give a proper light in the evening when the entire
Right.
thing will happen. The Shubh Muhurat will start of the Deepotsav in Ayodhya, and these visuals are clearly captivating and showing you the.
Right, Samarth, absolutely. We can see the celebrations already in full swing. But viewers, let's also tell you, Samarth, thank you for bringing us those details from the Ayodhya Ghat.